How to stop automatic updates in Windows 11. First, open the Services app. Right-click on the Start menu. Click on Run. Type services.msc in the Run box. Then click OK. Alternatively, go to Start menu. Search for Services on the search bar. Then click on it. Once the Services app is open, look for Windows Update in the list. Right-click on it and select Properties. In the Properties window, click on the Stop button to stop the service. Next, on the Startup Type menu, select Disabled and click on Apply and click on OK to save the changes. The last step is to disable the Delivery Optimization feature. To disable it, go to Settings and click on Windows Update. Click on Advanced option. Then find Delivery Optimization and toggle off the switch that says Allow downloads from other PCs. This feature allows your computer to download updates from other computers on the same network, which can use up a lot of bandwidth. And that's how you can stop automatic updates in Windows 11 permanently. Thanks for watching.